We're out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I
Hello.
break our hearts open enough just to see if over
Our friends waiting downstairs, so we have to go down.
I'll stay by your side. It's you and I again. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
The pasta with the egg. And also with the nachos. Kumain ka na ba? Yung pa kumain ng nachos. So we're here at Solaire. I don't like to take a video.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up.
Hello.
Put them back. No matter what they try, I stay by your side. It's you.
Our friends waiting downstairs, so we have to go down.
It's you and I. It's you and I. Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but
Noli, you also, make a video for the sunset. Oh, wait, did you took already? Huh? Okay, thank you so much. So you're still wearing a Solaire sleeper?
Featuring Christian Dior bag.
Yeah. So expensive.
Oh my yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna ask later to Kuya to make bantay this morning.
You're gonna ask Kuya to make bantay this month.
Yeah.
Because
Oh,
the
yeah,
overnight stay here is more cheaper than the bag. Why are you wearing gold?
No, I'm wearing diamond. Maybe I just have to
Sorry.
remove this one.
Why gold with diamonds?
Yeah. I have to remove this one, right?
Oo.
Maybe in the pool.
Oo, baka ma-damage. Mas mahal yan sa pool. Wala masyadong tao. Parang sa crocodile.
Maligo ka na dahil.
Later we're gonna eat some junk.
Also the bowl alone. Now that I have your boxing card. What do ya? Hi! Actually, I saw a sandwich over there, so I think much
Mag-order
better.
kami.
Siyempre, gitera kami mag-order. Hindi kami sandwich.
Waiter, tawagin mo to.
Yeah. Can I ask Kuya? Can I have some sandwich here? Yes.
Ang sarap ng water. Parang matangki.
Parang mineral water, criminal water.
Lasahan ko kung Evian.
Nakaalasa si Mama when nagsiswimming.
Ay, yung diamond. Mama, may baka nawala yung diamond. Tingnan mo.
We're just catching for the sunset over there. And show them, medyo konti na yung tao for now.
Sabi ko nga, wag mo na siya.
But tell us kung mas okay tong swimming pool and like there's a shore. Because I think I love shore than, than this. What can you say, guys? Sarap buhay! Swimming lang.
Yung ibang owner. Agaw buhay. Walang tenant. Wala akong sinabi.
Hindi ko comment pa nga.
Para may kasama ka.
Papuntahin mo na kaya, tapos dito mo na lang si Sarge paanhuin. But there's a lot of, konting mga kulisap here.
Ang daming lamok.
Yeah.
Ang daming lamok.
Ama lang mo.
My gosh.
Kaya pala kung dapat kami.
Can you ask Kuya to get this small intestine?
Sarap po. Warm yung water. Siguro marami nang umiinom.
You ask for the sandwich, Nolly.
Order tayo sandwich.
Charge lang to, charge sa SOA.
To owner.
Mamaya may kausap
Ayun,
tayo.
Kuya. Yes, Kuya.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my
And we're going to have a dinner, right?
Yes.
Saan pa tayong Sa tayong restaurant dinner?
Tingnan natin kung yung pinakamahal. Si Charge doon sa
I think I love to eat is, maybe steak.
After eating, we're going to check the boutique. Which one?
Dior. Mano? Yeah, that's mine. Okay.
Order na tayo. Sarap.
So now we're going to have a dinner. First we have, what is this?
Chicken Vietnamese eme.
Then also for this one, it's a beef, right?
Beef rendang. And
Then, bulalo.
sinigang.
Sinigang?
Beef sinigang.
Yeah. And also this one, nasa sa
No.
Chicken.
Enjoy, guys.
Yes. Let's eat.
Ambience na.
They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.